Hi. It's time to learn about the parts of the face. Forehead, eyebrow, eyes, nose, cheek, mouth, teeth, chin, ear. Again. Forehead, eyebrow, eyes, nose, cheek, mouth, teeth, chin, ear. Again. Teeth, nose, cheek, forehead, mouth, eyebrow, chin, eyes, ear. Practice. Forehead, forehead, forehead. Eyebrow, eyebrow, eyebrow. Eyes, eyes, eyes. Nose, nose, nose. Cheek, cheek, cheek. Mouth, mouth, mouth. Teeth, teeth, teeth. Chin, chin, chin. Ear, ear, ear. Let's review. What parts of the face are these? Cheeks. What part of the face is this? Chin. What parts of the face are these? Teeth. What parts of the face are these? Eyes. What part of the face is this? Mouth. What part of the face is this? Ear. What part of the face is this? Forehead. What parts of the face are these? Eyebrows. What part of the face is this? Nose. Let's review. Where is the mouth? Here. Where is the nose? Here. Where are the cheeks? Here. Where is the chin? Here. Where are the ears? Here. Where is the forehead? Here. Where are the eyes? Here. Where are the eyebrows? Here. Where are the teeth? Here. Last review. Forehead, eyebrow, eyes, nose, cheek, mouth, teeth, chin, ear. Good job.
Bye!